Introducing the 2020 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. Mileage 73,720 kilometers. Perfect combination of power, luxury, and durability. Under the hood, it's equipped with a 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine, delivering smooth acceleration, strong torque, and outstanding reliability. Look up, and you'll find a power sunroof, bringing sunlight and a sense of openness to every journey. The back monitor gives you a clear view behind the vehicle, making parking easy and safe. And with corner sensors detecting obstacles around the car, you get warning beeps as you get closer. Inside, the Prado blends comfort with intelligent design. The power folding rear seats can be lowered automatically with just one touch. Once folded, a large luggage space opens up, perfect for camping gear, travel bags, or family adventures. And when you need extra seating again, simply press the button. The rear seats rise automatically, ready to welcome your next passengers. From its refined powertrain to smart interior innovations, the 2020 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado stands for strength, elegance, and everyday practicality.
Please, we're looking forward you to get car from WEINS Toyota Export, and please, for more content, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye.